How to fix speech services by Google downloading the English US update and waiting for network connection. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can fix if you get that annoying notification every time that says speech services by Google is currently downloading some type of English US update and it just says waiting for network connection. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to force stop that notification, there are a couple of things that you can do. That when it says waiting for network connection, just try to check if your network connection is stable. And after that, you want to simply go ahead and then open the settings application. And once you launch the settings application, you want to scroll and then look for the option called apps. So right over here, go to the option called apps. Once you go to apps, here you'll find all these applications. So you can just search for an application by using the search box that is speech services by Google. So as you can see over here, speech services by Google, just tap on it. First thing you want to do is force stop the application. So just tap on the force stop button from the bottom right. After that, go to storage, clear the cache files, and if possible, also clear the data. Once you clear cache files and data, now this will most likely remove the notification, but if for it to work properly again, you have to go ahead and open up Play Store, and then in the search box you want to type in speech services by Google. So just go ahead and type in speech services by Google and you'll be able to see the first application on the list. You might be able to see the uninstall or the update button. So if it says, first of all, try to uninstall it and then try to update it again to the latest version. And hope this video helped you solve your problem as to how you can fix the speech services by Google downloading the English US update. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.